Today I'm going to make a wooden soldier decoration based on the traditional Christmas nutcracker. And this video might seem a little bit late, but I did video it back in November of 25. But unfortunately, I lost my mum at the end of the month. I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And on a positive note, it did go to my son as a Christmas present. You might notice there's 2 bits of wood here. The 3mm at the back is going to be a backing plate, and the 12mm I'll be cutting into sections to make like a jigsaw. I'm just cutting around the edges here, making access to the smaller parts easier. I'm cutting away all the individual parts separately so that I can piece them together like a jigsaw. Now I'm just putting all the pieces onto the backing plate, making sure they all fit together correctly. Now this is all going together nicely, I'm going to start the sanding. Using the 180 grit sandpaper, I'm just slowly taking all the edges off and then down to the 240. And again, as I'm doing this, I'm putting the pieces back together so they all stay in the right positions. I seem to have lost some footage of the painting here, but unfortunately I can't find it. After painting these bits, I glued them all down using wood glue to the backing plate. And using the acrylic pens, I'm just adding some final details. So I'm just finishing off the sides with the acrylic pens. So here we have the final piece. And if you've enjoyed this video, then maybe you'd like to click on the link in the top left hand corner.